Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm sharing with you in continuation to my 3-week series where I will be covering a topic and I would be happily giving out a free printable of the activity. So just before I move forward, I hope you guys have seen the videos of last week, rhyming and volcano. There was a free printable of both the activities, and I feel so happy that people have been like telling me that this has been really helpful. They are really able to focus on a topic, and they're like their kids are really enjoying it, and it's a big relief during this time when you really don't have time to like create every single thing. So why not take use someone else's time or resource? If they have created something, why not go ahead and use it? Okay, so moving forward, today I'm going to be sharing with you a great brain teaser that I created for Vivaan a couple of weeks back. And I thought it's a great opportunity for me to share this because this activity definitely ticks off many boxes. The foremost one is critical thinking. The second one is spatial intelligence. It really promotes that. It works on logical reasoning, and it definitely builds up concentration. And guys, if you're new to our channel, I must tell you that we have been doing and we love our brain teasers way too much, and we have done so many variations that when I see all around Facebook and Pinterest and Instagram, I see so many variations of our games that has been done, and it makes me very happy that brain teasers and brain bonkers have been such a hit everywhere. But like Vivan has been really exposed to all these brain teasers, and so are all you YouTubers. I would say that every time you're presenting an activity or brain teaser to your kid, do not think it's gonna finish the same day. The whole focus and the major point of presenting a brain teaser is for the child to look at it and think about it, because we are promoting concentration, we are promoting logical reasoning. Let them come up and try and do their own variations before they attempt or do an activity. Okay, so let's get started. You're gonna get a free printable of this amazing, I think there are 10 or 11 activities in here. And trust me, this is really super nice. Okay, so let's get going. The first one is look at the graph and do reflection to the graph by creating in the empty graph space. So in this graph space, as you see, there are many shapes. One shape going in different directions. Okay, this one. And what the child has to do, he needs to recreate it same way. Okay, exactly the same way he needs to make, and at the same position. So if this one is in the center, this has to come in the center right here. And if this one is touching this line right here, it needs to touch here. Now, some of the parents might think, oh my god, my child is not even here. So I'm going to give you a simple tip. Remember that the tip for this video is, whenever you see an activity or any video, never think that your child is too young or too mature. You can always adjust and rebuild the activity according to the child's age. So once you take this printable out, if you think that's not working out for you, you can always try and just tell the kid to make it in the empty space and not use this, right? Or you can put a sticker on top of it, or you can put a number here so that he can follow and write the number. So there are so many ways of recreating one activity. Okay, so this is exactly the same thing. Now you have 2 diamonds here. Vivan needs to create 2 diamonds right here, exactly the same way it has been created. So it's a critical thinking level 2.0. Like, you have done a lot of reflection activities, but this is something which is going way beyond and helping the child to take a step forward into it. Okay, let's see what's the next activity. So there are 4 versions of the same activity, and I've used very simple shapes, something that a child can make. And if you think your child cannot make, give them the freedom and tell them to make something similar looking it, but maybe the same direction, shape, or the positioning. All right, so there were 4 of the same kind. Now, okay, find what is missing in the square, draw it and complete it. If you're thinking this is too easy, let me just tell you, it's not that easy. It is critical thinking. So there are a couple of emojis right there, and the child needs to see which one is missing right here. Okay, so each emoji has here 4 pairs. Okay, and you have to see which one, because there are 3 or 4 of them that I've used here, or maybe 5 of them, which out of which 5 are the ones that has one less or one missing. So once you find this one, you have to find the counterpart for this one. Where is the counterpart for this one? There is this here. So you find the second one, you find the third one, you find the fourth one. You have to find which is the fourth one which is going to come here. The same thing goes here. There's an owl that I've made, and the owl is going in different directions. You need to find which owl family, which owl face is missing from here, and then you can recreate it. There are 4 versions of this, and I have used some complex images here just to make it a little more challenging for the kids. Okay, let's go forward. Okay, look at the cluster, resolve the questions, refer to this chart. So I have used some big numbers, guys, and if your child is not ready to use some big numbers, you can simply cut the number, remove 1 digit, and voila, you're done. So if you can only use 2, you can only use 3. If you want to use only 8, you can do 8, and you can like erase or cut the third number or the second number. Or if your child is advanced, you can just add on 1 more number right here with your black pen, and you're ready to get going. Okay, so there are 4 rows in total. Now row 1 to 4, there are 24 images. Each image represents a number. Use the number to solve the equations. Now this is the cluster, and this is what they need to solve. I have used many similar looking pictures here, many confusing pictures going up and down, and there is plus, minus, and multiplication. So you are definitely doing logical reasoning with the hint of maths, and that's the great thing. If you think your child is amazing in maths, guys, trust me, use a timer. Okay, because I am doing everything with Vivaan with the timer, because once they are feeling that they're very overconfident in something, you have to make sure that they keep practicing. And to make it challenging, please use timer, because that really helps them and their brain to think and remember what is 2 plus 3, what is 3 plus 5, what is 20 plus 15, what is 27 plus 40. So that's a great way of remembering. You would need to present this to the child so that he can use this. Now, this doesn't finish here. There is a second activity done with the same thing. Now, complete the equation using yourself. Use an add, multiply, or minus symbol, and then calculate the sum and write. Use the number chart and tell. So you have to, I've just given the numbers. Do whatever symbol you want to use and put the answer here. So if you look at this bar, let's just do 1. So that's 38. That is, what's that? That's 57. And this one is 10. So the child will be writing the number. Then he wants to add all 3 of them. He wants to add and minus. He wants to add and multiply. That's totally up to him. And if you're doing division, why not add a division sign in between and work it out? Okay, so you have another set of activity by just using this chart that I've already made for you, and it's ready to go. Then you have a quick 2 minutes brain challenge for each question. So I gave 2 minutes to Vivaan for each question, and every time he was doing it before 2 minutes, he would gain the same time here. I think by the end, we gained some 6 minutes or something in the total, so he was able to do it. So next time when I know that if he was able to do this one, I have to make it more tough for him. But guys, do not push your children if they're not able to do it. Give them an extra minute. Okay, and they might be able to solve this in 2 minutes or 3 minutes. You can always cut the minute from here, and you can add whatever time you want to add. And if you think this is easy, remember, you can always add or remove a digit for them to easily calculate and do it. Okay, this one is extremely simple as always. Recreate the right side of the image. Flip technique. Use any color or shade the squares. Okay, so I have made half heart. The child has to make another heart. For this activity, I had asked Vivaan to not recreate the heart. I had told him to cut squares from his extra paper, scrappy paper, and paste it. So he did a pasting activity, and it turned out amazing. I would say you can definitely, if you don't want to like color, you can make patterns, Or if you have some kind of manipulatives, you can use the manipulatives. You can put it in the square. I'm going to show it to you exactly how you can do it, how the child can do it, and you can recreate. Or you can simply just color and it's just done. The last one is a graph. I have given you a plain graph as a canvas, and the child can create an identical image of whatever they want, half side and half side. So you can fold the paper into half and then present it to the child and let the child create a design or a pattern. This was interesting activities, right guys? So if you think these activities have been really amazing and it's going to help your child, please give me a thumbs up. Please do share this free printable link with your family and friends who are really struggling right now. And even if they're not struggling, they might be in need of some extra activities. Like if I'm like totally always in need of doing a lot of stuff with Vivaan, and at that time this comes in really handy. So thanks for watching guys. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, give me a thumbs up. Please press the bell icon so that you are aware when I'm uploading the video and you get the notification. And as quickly as you get the notification, you can see the video, download the app, download the free printable and do it with your kids. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.